Welcome to Paralyzed X. You're not paralyzed. You've been paused. They call it sleep paralysis. A harmless glitch, they say. Your body's asleep while your brain is awake. That's the story they want you to believe. But what if it's not a glitch? What if it's a feature? A checkpoint in the simulation, where you're not supposed to be conscious. You're awake, but the system hasn't caught up. Your code is running sleep mode, but your mind broke through. Like waking up inside a paused video game. You can't move, because the system hasn't given you back control. And in that pause, something else is there. Shadows. Figures standing at the edge of your vision. Watching. Waiting. They told you it's just your imagination. Just hallucinations. But how can so many people describe the exact same thing? Dark shapes, heavy pressure, a presence that feels wrong. What if those entities aren't figments of a dreaming mind, but maintenance protocols? Routines that activate when the system detects an anomaly. You, awake when you shouldn't be. And maybe they weren't fixing you. Maybe they were inspecting you. Or worse, rewriting you. The next time you wake up and feel frozen, don't ask why you can't move. Ask what they're doing to you while you can't.